Yeah, hell yeah. What up? What up? That was sick. Thank you. Took me like 15 minutes to edit. So, yeah, now that I've beaten Freedom Away and it has been left behind, I can start off a new extreme demon. In this case, it will be Dismal Duststorm by Multiverse55. This is a sunset-sandstorm-inspired level that's actually easier, and ever since I saw it, I really wanted to beat it, so now it's my chance. You know, I have the most stupid run of all time, you know what? Because I have 34 to 100, 13 to 90, and 5 to 86. Yep, those are the current runs I have right now. So yeah, let's hop right in and do a practice run of the level. So, as it is inspired by Sunset Sandstorm, of course the beginning is full of timings. So yeah, it's pretty much full of timings. Here and there, double clicks. You know, the thing you would find in a Sunset Sandstorm inspired level. Anyway. And yeah, that's basically the first cube. And this robot, I would say, is one of the hardest parts of the level because it's really precise. It has a really precise robot part, I'd say. Especially this jump right here, kinda hard. And that one too. Yeah, Chip showed me the level and I fell in love with it. Like, almost instantly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't blink! And yeah, this is the drop of the level. Which is actually pretty easy. Let's be fair. There is a chance that I might fluke this. And this is the go. Go is right after here. Yeah, this drop is pretty flukeable. And then the ending, which is it's pretty tight, I might say. I love this level so fucking much. And yeah, guys, I'm playing at short level. This does not last like 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it doesn't take me to 108 attempts. But yeah, it is a way better practice run than the Freedom Void one. And yeah, this is Dismal Duststorm. It's such a cool level, to be honest. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this. Oh, see ya, KSLP. Let's start this new extreme journey. The beginning it's consistent. It's just a matter of getting it, like getting the timings right and stuff. Beat it while I doubt this will take me only one stream. You're gonna wake up and I will have like 90 for real. 6%! 6%! 6%! 6%. Holy balls. No, not 2 runs, 3 runs. 3 runs. I have the level in 3 runs, guys, no way. It is a good practice for Sunset Sandstorm, after all, since I do wanna beat that. So, people who have watched the rewind, what are your thoughts on that? Did you guys like the rewind? It was cool? Thanks. What the frick? Why? That sucks. I missed the green orb. Lol. Yo. Holy balls! 17! Let's go! Progress. I did the cube, dude. I did the pre-drop. Well, not the pre-drop, but you know. I did the cube. Which means that I am now gonna do it more consistently. Because once you do one part consistently, you will do it more, like, often. New best by 1%. Holy shit. Cost 34. Pa pa pa. Why did I release it early? I'm fucking stupid. I released the dash up early. Oh well. LOL! LOL! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck was that fluke? What the balls? What the balls? Why is my BPM 85? Huh? Someone clip that, please. Someone clip that, please. Huh, what the fuck was that fluke? Okay, I guess. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Okay, I didn't actually. I said jokingly that I could fluke the the drop, but I did not expect this. Holy shit. Okay, okay. Holy shit. What the balls? Oh yeah, there's one guy that flukes from 9%. He's insane. You know, fuck it. The mainframe. The mainframe. The mainframe. The mainframe. It is kinda hard, I'd say. Holy balls! Holy balls! Holy balls! Hi. I almost said broken signal. Dismal Duststorm.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Yeah, it's broken signal time. What do you mean? Go play broken signal right now.
No.
No, you choose broken signal or Niwa.
Broken signal.
I hate you. I'm going to kill you.
Thanks.
You're
But
welcome.
yeah. Oh, I got 13 to 93. Kinda goofy run.
Yeah, that was crazy, bro. How the heck did you do that?
Because the drop is free.
Yeah, Niwa is also free and I have not beaten it.
Anyway, Dismal Duststorm time. If I beat it, I will beat it.
No way. If I beat Niwa, I will beat Niwa.
Fuck yeah.
Yes.
What the fuck just happened there?
You'll cry because I'm beating Niwa in 3 attempts. I know. Like, Niwa's easy though.
What the fuck? What the balls? Vacuum, I see.
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Back vacuum.
The vacuum.
Vacuum, it's a vacuum now.
I'm vacuuming. Dun, 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 dun. This song goes so hard. Oh, I missed the blue, the green orb. Well, there are all black orbs in here. What the fuck? I could say I missed the black orb and I would be right. Oh wait, heart rate. Oh, I forgot to put on my heart rate monitor. Give me a sec. Let's go. Sure. Let's just join my server.
Okay.
Bop, 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 bop. Bop, ba, da, ba. Tell him to join the normal VC.
Is he? Are they even? Yeah.
Did you
Hello.
tell?
I told Devin to join.
I moved him to. Stop!
Stop!
I'm
moving him in.
I was gonna move him in.
Fuck,
Yeah, what's up, Relight?
That's all your fault, Jan.
I know.
Bro, I think I just got motion sickness.
Why?
From all the moving from place to place. Yeah.
Actually, it'd be kind of interesting to have a robot part. Do you speak Spanish?
Yeah, I was speaking to someone in chat in Spanish.
Okay.
Yo hablo español, soy de España.
Cállate.
No.
Pequeño, pequeño. Ajá.
Did you just say niño pequeño?
What?
No, I was trying to
Small
say.
child.
I was trying to say tiny pickle.
Ah, pepino pequeño.
Pepinillo pequeño. Pepinillo pequeño.
Ah.
Okay, so I was inside this streamer's chat yesterday where he had text to speech enabled for the chat, and he made this was a bad mistake because it turns out that they audibly read out emojis. So this person ended up spamming like 200 of the same emoji, and for the next 5 minutes it was just evergreen tree, evergreen tree, evergreen tree, evergreen tree. It was
That's why you don't have TTS.
Yeah, that I don't want TTS in my streams like at all.
Sorry, what? My level's gonna be very like touch trigger heavy, and the thing is that in order to activate a touch trigger block, you must first click so the game knows like if you're holding or not holding, you know? So because of that, if you're gonna
I got
be
to
in
the robot
practice
twice in a row,
mode-
nice.
Oh, good. But if you're gonna be in practice mode, you need to like click once before
I
you're
hate
doing
this
anything.
level.
in relation to
You hate Niwa now?
Yeah, because I did like the dumbest shit ever.
Ah, that happens.
So yeah, what were you talking about? I zoned out.
No, it's okay, it's okay. What was I? I zoned out too.
Fuck, stream elements, what the heck?
Actually, now that I have a genuine PC,
I
I'm considering,
unbanned you.
No, I beat it. I beat Dismal Duststorm. What the fuck? Huh?
GG. Finally, you're gonna have a video that's not an hour and a half long.
Huh? What the fuck?
G.
I got it like
You
I just beat Dismal Duststorm.
through concreted.
I got here like 10
LOL.
minutes ago. Actually,
I beat
GG.
it. What the balls? Fucking
I've been here
god.
for 6 minutes.
Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, what now though?
GG.
Uh,
There is a furry in the on the left. There's a furry.
Yeah, I know. I didn't blink! I literally got to the drop 3 fucking times during the entire level. I got to the drop 3 fucking times.
I know literally
GG.
nothing about this level. What's its difficulty?
Extreme Demon.
Extreme.
Extreme Demon.
Oh, okay, cool. How many attempts?
I'm gonna count. It's this song again. Lol.
Can I beat Niwa now?
Sure. You wanna? Okay, so 557. Okay, so it's 557. This is not real, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
It's
Oh my god, that's amazing.
557. It's
4, 3, 2, 1.
4878.
It's a nice number.
4321 equals 4878. Lol.
Oh,
What the balls? Huh? 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 What the ball? Huh? Huh?
oh,
What
Huh?
happened? What happened?
Huh? Huh?
oh, oh.
What happened? What the fuck? Are you okay, China Monks?
Huh? I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna
Oh.
set it on the thing, on the one Niwa picture. Well, I guess 6th extreme done. Lol. What
I'm just
the
gonna
balls?
sit like. I'm just gonna sit comfortably on like my bloodbath throne for a little while.
Okay, this is post-production me. I forgot to record my opinion on the level. Okay, so this level is pretty weird. All things considered. The beginning is hard. Like, just hard. It is hard. Then the robot is the hardest part of the level, as I have stated earlier. Then the drop is pretty easy once you learn it. And then the ending is just hard again. I personally really like the level though. Like, it's not that half bad. Pretty good, pretty fun to learn. So yeah, see y'all on the next video, I guess. Bye.